Congress again failed to approve long-term funds for a popular program that provides health insurance for nearly 9 million low-income children, leaving each party blaming the other for Christmas season gridlock and states scrambling to decide how to parcel out dwindling money. Lawmakers scurrying to leave the Capitol for the holidays approved a short-term patch Thursday designed to keep state programs operating through March, though some Republicans said federal officials think the money would run out by early February. The money was part of a bill averting a weekend federal shutdown. Congress had approved a previous stopgap solution for the Children's Health Program that was about to expire. Democrats and Republicans agree that finances for the Children's Health Insurance Program should be renewed for 5 years, but they've clashed over how to pay for it. And while few think Congress would blunder into letting the money completely lapse, which no lawmaker would care to defend with elections approaching, an effort to provide long-term money collapsed as leaders punted a bunch of unresolved issues until early next year. What GOP is obsessed with, ramming through tax cuts for the rich and powerful, tweeted Sen. Jeff Merkley, D.O.R., referring to the $1.5 trillion tax bill Congress approved this week. What GOP completely ignores, extending number chip, health care for our children. We would love to pass it. They won't let us, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, Kentucky, said in an interview, asserting that Democrats had blocked a multi-year extension. As the issue slipped into next year, the two top senators on the issue, Senate Finance Committee Chairman Orrin Hatch, Utah, and top committee Democrat Ron Wyden of Oregon, issued a statement promising to seek a 5-year extension soon. We will be vigilant to ensure this program isn't subject to repeated short-term fixes and constantly looming deadlines. Families across the nation deserve better, they said. With no long-term funding agreement imminent, growing numbers of states have begun edging toward depleting their federal funds and commencing steps to cope with that. According to a survey the nonpartisan Kaiser Family Foundation conducted in November and released this month, 14 states were planning to end or phase out coverage for children, including 5 by the end of January. A separate study by Georgetown University's Center for Children and Families estimated that without the money from Thursday's short-term extension, 25 states would run out of money by the end of January, with 1.9 million children potentially losing coverage. It remained uncertain how those states and others would react to the latest infusion of federal money. But Alabama recently warned it would stop registering new beneficiaries on January 1 and halt the entire program a month later. Connecticut cautioned it would stop supporting families after January 31, and Colorado has sent letters to recipients warning that their coverage may be canceled. We're just hoping Congress does the right thing and doesn't put politics in front of people's health, in front of children's health, in front of pregnant women's health, said Colorado Lieutenant Gov.